Okay, today I'm going to start the lesson square root, and in this video let us discuss about the perfect squares. So what do we mean by perfect squares? Actually, perfect squares are same as the square numbers. Can you remember that we have discussed about the square numbers in our first lesson? Which is number patterns. In number patterns, we discuss about the square numbers. Actually, perfect squares are same as the square numbers. So how can we get perfect square or square number? Yes, we discuss we can obtain a square number by multiplying a number by itself. Then we can obtain a square number. මොකක් හරි number එකක් ඒ number එකෙම multiply කරොත් අපි square number එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන් කියලා අපි first lesson එකේදී කතා කරන්නේ. එහෙනම් ඒ process එකම තමයි අපි perfect squares වලත් පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. නම විතරයි පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනස් කරලා තියෙන එකම process එක තමයි මෙතනත් කරන්නේ. The number we obtain by multiplying a number by itself is called the square of that number. The square of a positive integer is called a perfect square. Hari? Square of a positive integer. Positive integer means positive whole numbers. If we take the square of a positive integer, the result is called as the perfect square. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි positive integer එක square එක ගත්තොත් එහෙම නැත්නම් positive integer එකක් ඒ integer එකෙන්ම multiply කරොත් අපිට perfect square එකක් ගන්න පුළුවන්. Let us discuss some examples. First one, suppose I want to find the first perfect square. I told you perfect squares are same as square numbers. Then how can we find the first perfect square? Yes, we can find the first perfect square by multiplying 1 by itself. 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 is the least perfect square because we start from 1, then again we can obtain 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then least perfect square is 1. Can you remember we represent these perfect squares, triangular numbers, by using dot patterns. Again we can use dot patterns. Now I want to represent 1, then I have to use only one dot. In here you can see we can represent 1 like this. Then suppose now I want to find the second perfect square. Then how can we find? If we want to find the second perfect square, we have to multiply 2 by itself. Then 2 into 2 is 2 into 2 is 4. Then second perfect square or second square number is 4. Then how can we represent this? By using dot patterns. Yes, we can represent 4 by using 4 dots, 2 rows and 2 columns. We can see 2 rows and 2 columns. Then this one is called as the second perfect square, and we have to use 4 dots to represent that. Then likewise we can continue. Third perfect square can be found by multiplying 3 by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So third perfect square is 9. Then we can represent this one by using dot patterns like this. And fourth one, 4 times 4 is 16, and we can represent by using 16 digits. Okay, 16 dots. And it is very important if you can remember perfect squares up to 15th one. මම පළවෙනි පාඩමේදීත් ඔයගලන්ට කිව්වා මේව මතක තියාගන්න පුළුවන් නම් හොඳයි කියලා. ඉතින් මේව මතක තියාගත්තොත් අපිට විභාගයේදී ලොකු chance එකක් එනවා. හරි? First perfect square is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 2 times 2 4, 3 times 3 9, 4 times 4 16, 5 times 5 25, 6 times 6 36, 7 times 7 49, 8 times 8 64. Likewise we can continue. It is very important if you can remember up to 15th perfect square. Okay, now let us discuss about two special cases. Special කියන්නම in here we want to find a perfect square by using another pattern. ඔයගලන්ට මතක ඇති සමහර විට අපි කරා first lesson එකේදීත් මම වෙන pattern එකකින් තව pattern එකක් obtain කරා. හරි? In here I'm going to revise that part. First thing is in the pattern of odd numbers. Very important. In the pattern of odd numbers starting from 1. This one also very important. Odd numbers starting from 1. Commencing from the first term. පළවෙනි එකෙන් පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ. හරි? පළවෙනි ඒ කියන්නේ පළවෙනි term එකෙන් පටන් අරගෙන if the first two terms, then the first three terms, then the first four terms are added and continue accordingly, square numbers can be obtained. හරි. මොකද්ද මෙතන කියන්නේ? Now what is the pattern? In here new pattern is odd numbers. You have to use the odd number pattern to obtain the square numbers, perfect squares. So how can we obtain? හොඳට මතක් කරන්න මේක මතක් වෙයි අපි පළවෙනි පාඩමේදී මේක කරා. හරි? Important things are we have to start from 1 and then we have to add first two terms, then first three terms, first four terms, like first thing that we have to do is we have to write the new number pattern. New number pattern is odd numbers. Can you remember odd numbers? Yes, odd numbers are 1 3 5 7 9 11 13, like then the thing that we have to do is we have to start from 1. මුලින්ම එකෙන් පටන් ගන්නලු. හරි? And we know 1 is a perfect square. හරි? මෙයාව add කරන්න කවුරුත් නැහැ. මුලින්ම එකෙන් පටන් මුලින්ම තනි එක්කෙනා ගන්න. First term එක ගන්නවා. So we can write 1. First we have to choose 1 and we know 1 is a perfect square. So don't add any number to this one. First one is first term is 1. හරි පළවෙනි කෙනා තනියම ඔහොමම ලියාගන්න. දෙවෙනියාගෙන් නම් තමයි මුලින්ම තනියෙන් එක්කෙනෙක් ගන්න. මුලින්ම අපිට කියනවනේ starting from 1 කියලානේ commencing from the first term. ඒ කියන්නේ පළවෙනි එකෙන් පටන් ගන්නලු. ඒකට පළවෙනි එක්කෙනා අපිට ඕනේ pattern එකේ පළවෙනි මේකේ pattern එකේ first term එක අපි හොයන pattern එකේ first term එකත් වෙනවා. හරි එතකොට ඒකට වෙන මොකුත් add කරන්නේ නැහැ. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි අපිට කියන්නේ if the first two terms. හරි then කරන්න then we have to do we have to add first two terms. Then පළවෙනි terms දෙකම එකට ගන්න. 1 and 3. We have to add 1 and 3 together. Then what is the result? 1 plus 3 is 4. Is 4 a perfect square? Yes, we know 4 is a perfect square. අපි දැන් කතා කරා. 4 is a perfect square. 2 times 2 is 4. Then let us continue. Now I take the first term and I took the first two terms, this one, and now I have to take first three terms. These three terms 1 3 and 5 we have to add these three terms together. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. And next one first four terms, then we have to add up to 7. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Then the result will be 16. Actually 16 is a perfect square. And we can see 1 4 9 16. Let's continue another one. Now we add up to 7. Now we have to add up to 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is 25. Now you can see we have obtained a perfect square number pattern. Perfect square number patterns 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So we obtain a new pattern, or we obtain square number pattern by using odd numbers. This one is very important. Then in here we found perfect squares. මේක හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න අපි odd numbers වලින් කොහොමද square numbers ගන්නෙ කියලා. හරි ඕක අහන්න පුළුවන් ඔයගලන්ගේ ගානකින් ප්‍රශ්නයක් විදිහට ඔයගලන්ට දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Then the second special case is, can you remember what is? හොඳට මතක් කරොත් මතක් වෙනවා. second හොඳට number patterns මතක නම් මේක මතක් වෙන්න ඕනේ. What is? Okay. Second case is the sum of two adjacent triangular numbers. Can you remember triangular numbers? Triangular numbers matakada? Yes, triangular numbers are the numbers that can be represented as triangles, triangular shape by using dots. අපි dots අරගෙන triangular shape එකකට හදන්න පුළුවන්. ඒවට අපි කිව්වා triangular numbers කියලා. හරි? Actual triangular numbers are starting from 1, then 1 plus 2, no? 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3 plus 3 is 6. So triangular numbers are 1, 3, 6, 10. 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3 plus 3 is 6. අපි එක එක වැඩි කර කර එකතු කරන්න තියෙන. දැන් මෙතන මම දෙකක් එකතු කරා, ඊළඟ මෙතන තුනක් එකතු කරා, ඊළඟ මෙතන හතරක් එකතු කරා. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now we have to add 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. Likewise we can obtain triangular numbers. Now I want to find perfect squares by using this pattern. මේ pattern එක පාවිච්චි කරලා මට ඕනේ perfect squares හොයාගන්න. Now I have given you the sum of two adjacent triangular numbers. What do you mean by adjacent? Adjacent කියන්නේ මොකක්ද ළමයි? Adjacent කියන්නේ එක ළඟ. හරි? The sum of two adjacent triangular numbers. එක ළඟ තියෙන triangular numbers දෙකක් ගත්තොත් අන්න ඒකේ sum එක බැලුවොත් අපිට එනවලු perfect square එකක්. හරි? Let's try. Actually first term is a 1, and we know 1 is a perfect square. So as previous one we have to take 1. හරි? 1 කියන එක කියන perfect square එකක් වෙනවනේ. ඒතකොට එයාට කවුරුත් add කරන්න, we can start from 1. Now we can add පළවෙනි term එකට අපි මොකොත් කරන්නේ නැහැ. එයාට මොකොත් ගන්නද? මොකද අපි එකට ඊළඟට තමයි එකතු කරන්න හදන්නේ. එක කියන්නේත් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම perfect square ගන්න නිසා අපි ආවත් අරගෙනම යමු. Now I want to add two adjacent numbers. Adjacent කියන්නේ එක ළඟ තියෙන. හරි. First thing, first numbers. First pair is 1 and 3. Now we want to add 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. Then we took this pair. Then after that we have to take this one. 3 plus 3 and 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. And next we have to take this pair. 6 and 10. 6 plus 10 is 16. And now this one, 10 plus 15 is 25. Likewise we can find perfect squares by using the triangular numbers. හරි, ඔය ටික හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. එතකොට වෙනස් විදිහේ ගානක් ඇහුවොත් කරගන්න පුළුවන්. And now you can do the review exercise of the 8th lesson.